Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, we are going to be going over my Boxycharm box for, what month is it? November? Oh my gosh. Already November. So we are going through what I got in this month's box, seeing what's in there. We're gonna try out what we can, and yeah, just a little surprise from me to me like every month. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. So before we do get into it, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It just really helps me out. So thank you so much. If you're in the spirit of giving for the holiday season, make sure to subscribe, please. But if you want to see my November Boxycharm unboxing, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so if you've been with me for a while, you know that I never peek inside of these. I like to keep them a surprise. I don't want to know what's inside before I actually open it with you guys, because I want to have like a genuine excited reaction for all of these. So we're opening this together. This is gonna be a surprise for all of us. So I have a base box. This is like the most inexpensive that you can get, like the basic Boxycharm box. But I feel like these always end up being more than enough too. Like you get some good products. So I have the seal like ripped open, but I swear I have not peeked inside. We're doing this together. So opening this up, you get obviously the Instagram handle and the hashtag, and then the Hello Charmer, and then the logo inside. I love the hot pink and white. And then opening this up, very cute. It says, "It's giving giftable glam." Adorable. So we're just gonna go in order from what the card says, read it up, try on what we can, and yeah, lots of fun stuff. So first up, we have from Ofra Cosmetics, yay! It's the Face It MIDI palette. Bring the vacay with you with this curated complexion trio to sculpt, warm, and highlight. This palette features buildable matte contours and soft shimmer bronzers, perfectly coordinated for light, medium, and deep skin tones. Goes for $35. So let's see where this is at. Here it is. Okay, I really like Ofra products, so I'm very excited to see what this looks like inside. And $35, I feel like for a face palette, is really not terrible. So let's open this up. Oh, I see. So you get two bronzers and a highlighter. So this bronzer seems like it's completely matte. This one seems like matte, not matte. It has like a little shimmer to it, and obviously a highlighter in the middle. So let's just swatch these on the back of my hand so we can see what they look like. This highlighter feels super creamy. I feel like Ofra highlighters back in the day were like a big obsession, so I'm very excited to try it out. I love all of these though. I feel like this one is a little more cool toned, this one's a little bit warmer, and this highlighter is exactly the color of a highlighter that I always go for myself. So let's see what these look like. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. They feel really nice on the hands, by the way. Like when I was putting my fingers in them, the matte shade feels a little bit, tiny bit scratchier, but still smooth. The warm one feels soft, and the highlighter is like extremely soft. So can you tell that I'm like excited about the highlighter? So I'm just gonna put all three on my face and see. I know I already have product on here, but just a little something to see. I'm gonna take the warmer one now just to bronze up my face. So the first one I used as like a little contour kind of thing. This one I'm using more so like a bronzer. And then let's see about the highlighter. There is quite a bit. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is gonna be my newest obsession. I like the bronzers, but I'm obsessed with this highlighter. Like this, oh my gosh, I have not been this excited about a highlighter in a hot minute. Like this is insane. This is like a beaming highlight without looking fake. This looks very like glowy without looking like chunky glitter. Do you know what I mean? So I'm a happy girl right now. Again, bronzers I like. Highlighter, obsessed. So super excited about this one. Next up we have from Saturday Skin, the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. A soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for a healthy and radiant looking skin. Goes for $57. I'm trying this out tonight. I need some skincare in my life because I am breaking out. I don't know why, but it's not good. So I need something to bring me back to life. So here is this. I love this packaging. This like really stands out. It's like a white, but like a, what would you call this? Like a chrome kind of effect. And I've heard of Saturday Skin before. I can't remember whether I've tried stuff from them or not, so don't quote me. Ooh, this is literally like a whipped cream. Hold on, I'm very, very excited about this. Oh my gosh, this feels really good. It doesn't really smell like anything, which I appreciate. I'd rather my skincare products not have a smell. So this is supposed to give you, it doesn't really say, like, I guess this is just a moisturizer. It's not really like a mask or anything. I'm gonna use this as like a moisturizer tonight, so stay tuned. I'm super excited. It feels very hydrating. It looks insanely glowy, so I'm hoping that this does wonders for my skin, but we'll see. Next up is from REALHER. It's the Metallic Eyeliner Duo. This creamy buildable formulation glides without tugging or pulling at the eyelid. Suitable for any eye color. Its metallic finish is also waterproof and will last on your waterline. Create defining lines or smudge to finish off a smoky look. Wear alone or add the perfect pop to your eye, or use to complete your look and accentuate eyes. Goes for $30. Is this it? Yes. Okay, so here we go, and let's see what this looks like. So we have a brown, which I've been obsessed with brown eyeliners lately. Ooh, the tip already fell off. Yes! Okay, this definitely is like a brown with a little metallic action, which I'm obsessed with. And then let's see this. Ooh, this blue is really, really beautiful. I don't mess with like blue eyeliners very much, so maybe this one will be fun for me to try. I do just want to put a little bit of the brown because I'm staying on the safe side. I'm wearing brown, my makeup is natural. So I'm just gonna like rub a little bit on my eyes so we can see what it looks like. That's really nice. I will say it's not like crazy pigmented if you're just doing it the way that I did. So keep that in mind, but they're beautiful. Like both of these colors, I totally see myself using these again. So I'm very excited about that. Next we have from Luna Magic Beauty. It's the Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. A hydrating sheer lightweight lip balm that leaves lips soft and lush. Infused with vitamin E to nourish lips and formulated with jojoba oil to heal dry lips and help lock in moisture. Goes for $16, so really inexpensive. Let's see where it's at. Oh, it's big. Oh, there's two. Oh my gosh, did it say there was two and I just didn't read it? I don't think it said that there were two, but I'll take it. Oh my gosh, the more the merrier. Okay, so we have mango. Let's smell this, see if it smells like mango. Yes, it does. Oh, let me just swatch a little bit. There's no real color to it. It has like the slightest little tint of like a peachy color. And then we have cherry, which I'm assuming is gonna be reddish. Smells like cherry. Yeah, has like a little pinky red tint to it. Ooh, these are gonna be fun. I don't wanna put them on my lips because I have lipstick on. So I don't want to mess these up, but I'm going to put these on tonight too because my lips are so dry and they need some hydration. So I'm going to use these tonight. So far though, they feel really nice. Like they feel very like a lip balm without being sticky and gross feeling. So I love that, and the smells are amazing, and I love that there's like a little tint of color, so exciting. And then last but not least, we have BELLE and ARGENT, which is new for me. It's the Reframing Brow Gel. It says, let's reframe things. Shape brows with this jojoba infused brow gel that's long lasting and flexible with a clean formula that feels comfortable throughout the day. Realize all your full feathery brow dreams with our fine brush that doesn't miss any spots. Made with jojoba oil to condition and promote the growth of your brows. $19. Is it just me, or is everyone putting jojoba oil in everything? I feel like everything I've been reading about lately has that product in it, so that's super interesting. I'm gonna have to do some more research on it to see like exactly what it's beneficial for, but I'll take it. So here is our last product. Let's see what it looks like in the packaging. Again, $19 for this. And it's just a little wand. So let me see what we can do with this. My eyebrows aren't like the longest right now, so I'm not really gonna get that like feathered look with this, but it feels like it's like moving them. It feels like they're kind of sticking where I want them to, so this is nice. And I like the fact that it says it promotes growth of your eyebrows, so I need that because I plucked mine when I was in like 5th grade and they won't grow back. That's why I got them like powder browed, which I love and I'm gonna continue doing. But it's nice to have like your own brows, like the fullness, so I'll take anything that offers me that. So that's super exciting. Honestly, I'm so excited about all of these products in this month's box. I feel like all of these are stuff or things that I really want to try and want to continue playing with. I'm really interested in that moisturizer, like the whipped cream, to see what it does for my skin, because I really have been lacking on my skincare and I need to get back into it, and this kind of got me excited about that, so stay tuned. But all of these, like this box was a definite hit because all of these products seem amazing, so I'm excited to keep you guys posted on what these are doing for me in the future. But that is it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely did. I love when boxes are as good as this one is, like when all the products are equally as exciting. So yes, comment and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if we got the same things in our boxes or if you got something totally different. Just give me your thoughts. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.